Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. To install applications on this watch you will need a couple of things. You will need to be connected to the internet on your watch, so it could be the LTE network or a Wi-Fi network, and also you will need to have a Google account on your watch, so you need to be logged in into a Google account basically. To connect your watch to the internet, you can simply open the menu, tap on settings, tap on connections, and here tap on Wi-Fi, and then find the network you want to connect to, and basically tap on it, enter the password, and once it says connected, you are good to go. Next, we have the Google account, and to add the Google account, you need to tap on the settings icon, find the Google option, tap on it, tap on accounts, and here you have the add account button. And once you add the Google account, it will be right here on the list of accounts. And once you have the internet and Google account, we can continue. And now to install applications, we need to open the Play Store on our watch. So open the menu by swiping up on the home screen, find the Play Store icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Okay, and after the Play Store opens, you will see the home page, and here we have different categories and apps basically. You can scroll through this to look for something you like, but you can also tap on search and type for something more specific. For example, let's say a calculator. Here you have the search results, as you can see. Find the app you would like to install, and once you find it, you can tap on the install button next to it, or you can tap on the app itself to open the info page about it. And here we have the screenshots, we have the reviews, we have the rating, the amount of downloads, and basically more information about the application. And once you finally decide to install the app, tap on install. It's gonna start downloading and installing. And after it's done installing, the install button will change to open button, and also you will see the uninstall button, which indicates that the application is installed. And if you want to open it right now, you can tap on open button, and if you want to open it later, you can open the menu, and the icon of the app should appear in the menu, and you can tap on it to open it. And as you can see, it is working, though. Oh no, it is working, fine. And to close the app, you can press the home button. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.